Guys, what is up? It's Mark. Check it out. This is my 2014 Suzuki Gsx-R 1000. Awesome bike. One of the best bikes I've driven. I'm a big Suzuki fan, so with that said, that's what I ride. It's got 4,000 miles on it, I want to say. Oops, I gotta start it up. Yep, 4,000 miles. While we have it started, I'll rev it up. It's got a Shortie pipe on it. Sounds really good. All the turn signals work. Brand new Virginia State Inspection 10 2019. Everything works on it, everything's good. It's got the mode control down here low. You push this button right here, and that puts A, B, or C. A's like A's extreme, what the bike's supposed to be. I'll cut it off so you guys can hear me. A is what it's supposed to be, 1000 mode, people say. Oh shit, it cut back off. Anyway, B and C are B's mid-grade mode. C is garbage mode. You don't want to put it in C. It restricts a lot of shit and doesn't feel as fast. Chain is lubed up. I always keep that really nice and clean. Sprocket as well. Wheels are clean as hell. Rear tire is brand new. I ran over a friggin' nail the day after I bought the bike, and I don't mess around. So I drove it, put a plug in it, and drove it a mile down the road, and bought a brand new tire. Put the tire on. So chain's adjusted. There we go. Chain's adjusted to where it's supposed to be an inch to 1.5 inches of play perfectly, because I adjusted it myself, made sure it's nice. Got a few small little scratches right here, small little paint in the tank. The paint is gorgeous though, beautiful paint. You can put a tank pad there. It's got some little scratch right there in the tank, and a few spots here. Nothing noticeable, nothing too crazy. But a tank pad, like I said, would cover that, and it helps you out too from scratching it in the future. So here it is. Front tire's in great shape too. Brembo brakes, factory. Cross-filled rotors, factory. Obviously all bikes come with that. Awesome bike. I absolutely love it. It's got a battery tender too. So sorry about the camera work right here. I'll try to make this as painless as possible. Get your factory toolkit. And the coolest part about this bike is it comes with a battery tender. And not only that, you can keep your iPhone charger in here, which I keep an iPhone charger for an iPhone 10 here, and you can charge your iPhone while riding, as well as following, come on, get in there. There we go. As well as following MapQuest directions, of which I can't put the phone in now because I'm obviously using the phone, duh. But it comes, it came with a Ram X Grip phone holder here. So you put the phone right in there, let it go, and it's solid. Trust me. I mean, I've cracked on it a few times, hit it, whop, and that phone stays solid. This is solid too. A lot of grip right there. Awesome device. As far as driving, if you're going long places you don't know and you're on a bike, put that right there, put the navigation on, and you're golden. You can drive for hours with that damn thing, no problem at all. And yeah, that's really about it. So if you guys have any questions, holler at me. This is Mark, 540-848-2974. This is Mark with the 2014 Suzuki Gsx-R 1000. Kick-ass bike, extremely fast. People say, oh, you got to start off on a 600 if you're buying your first bike. Well, here's the deal. If you've never experienced love, how can you experience happiness? True point. So for those of you out there, you know, it's a lot of power, don't get me wrong, but for those of you out there who are trying to figure out whether to go to start off on a 600 or 1000, respect the bike, take your time with it, and, you know, ride around somebody who's ridden for a couple of years and take certain traits from them and what they do, and you'll be all right. Respect the power. That's all I gotta say. 600, 1000, you can both kill yourself on it. You can kill yourself on both bikes. So, there it is. Hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out. Peace. Subscribe.